Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagbumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today, my dear brothers and sisters, we are now on the 16th Sunday in Ordinary Time. We might all be guilty of giving up on someone we love, whom we believe will no longer change for the better. Perhaps we are guilty of boxing others in and quickly judging them, saying, "Pasaway yan, di na yan magbabago, wala nang pag-asa, and ganyan na talaga siya." We cancel other because of one mistake, one failure, or one weakness. But God does not treat or see us in these ways. He always leaves room for conversion, healing, and new beginnings. In today's gospel, Jesus tells us the parable of the wheat and the weeds. The servants in the parable wanted to pull out the weeds immediately, but the master said, "Let them grow together until the harvest." This seems strange. Why allow the weeds to grow with the wheat when we know they will affect its growth and harvest? Pero malinaw kung bakit ayaw ng may-ari bunutin agad ang mga damo, sapagkat baka madadamay ang trigo na mabunot. Friends, this is how God deals with us. He is patient with us. He does not give up on us because He sees who we really are, created in goodness. He sees who we can become through His grace. Wala sa atin dito ang perpekto. Walang perpektong pamilya. Marahil may kapamilya tayong napariwara sa buhay, kapatid na hindi natin kinakausap, o minamahal na nag-disappoint sa atin. In such cases, it is easier to give up. Yet our God, through our readings, reminds us that love is patient. God is patient because He knows great things grow quietly, often in ways we cannot immediately see. Minsan napapatanong na lang tayo kung bakit ang daming masasama sa mundo. Bakit di na lang alisin ng Diyos ang masasama kung makapangyarihan at mabuti siya? The parable reminds us that while evil exists, goodness can grow as well. We see this in people who continue to do what is right, even if no one notices or appreciates them. The Lord challenges us to be wheat that silently transforms the world and others by choosing to be good. The first reading presents God to us as mighty, but He does not govern through power or by crushing others, but with mercy. He gives us all a chance to change. This is not weakness or leniency, but strength in patience, believing that everyone deserves a chance and has the capacity to become better. Brothers and sisters, let us be patient with one another. Being patient with one another is a sign of love. It is believing in the goodness of each other despite failures and mistakes. Muli, isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.